In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search GitHub for code effectively. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step is to head over to github.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account, it's free and only takes a moment to set up. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the main page. Pretty neat, right? Now, on to the next step. Locating the search bar. At the very top of the GitHub homepage, you'll see a prominent search bar. This is where the magic happens. It's your gateway to finding the code, projects, and repositories you're interested in. All right, now let's put it to use. Go ahead and enter your search queries into that search bar. You can type in keywords that describe what you're looking for, the names of functions, or even specific phrases. For instance, if you're searching for a particular framework or library, just type it straight into that search bar and hit enter. Simple, right? However, sometimes you might find that your initial search returns an overwhelming number of results. That's when you'll want to refine your search. GitHub provides some really handy advanced search operators to help you narrow things down. For example, if you're specifically looking for code written in Python, you can add language Python to the end of your search term. This will filter your results to only show repositories that contain Python code. Another great tip is to use quotation marks for exact matches. So if you remember a specific phrase, just enclose it in quotes, like your search phrase. This way, GitHub will only show results that include that exact sequence of words. It's a great way to pinpoint exactly what you need without sifting through countless irrelevant results. Once you have your search results, it's time to explore. Browse through the list of repositories that appear as a result of your query. Look for those that seem most relevant to what you're searching for. When you find one that catches your eye, click on it. This will take you into the repository where you can dive into its code, view README files, and explore file structures. Don't hesitate to look around and get familiar with the different files and components within the repository. You might stumble upon something useful that you weren't even initially looking for. One more quick tip before we wrap up. If you like what you see, consider starring the repository or even forking it if you want to make your own changes. Starring a project shows appreciation to the creator, and forking gives you a personal copy to play around with. That concludes our walkthrough on how to search GitHub for code. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to try out different queries and operators as you explore. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using GitHub effectively. Happy coding!